started from the bottom with nothing but a vision. No silver spoon, just determination and ambition. They said I'd fail, told me to quit the mission, but my dreams are the fuel, I ain't running out of ignition. Night after night, grinding like a madman, hustling hard while they out partying, I'm making plans, stacking up the goals, building like a skyscraper. No time for haters, I'm on a mission, ain't no favor. I'm a dream chaser, never gonna fade away. Through the rain or shine, I'm on my way. Rhymes are my weapon, flow is my artillery. Blasting through the doubts, victory is my destiny. Dream, dream, never let it die. Fight, fight, reach for the sky. Where the dream chaser's never gonna stop. Rise, rise, make it to the top. Roadblocks on the way, but I'm not turning back. Every obstacle is a stepping stone, that's a fact. Failure is a lesson, not the end of the track. I'm climbing higher, leaving my fears way back. The haters, they talk, but